So the first couple are just kind of a quick reminder, refresher. So if we have a parallelogram, okay, it's a four-sided figure, and if we had these angles 1, 2, 3, and 4, what can you tell me about angle 2 and angle 4? What kind are they? Are they same side or opposite sides?
Opposites.
They're opposite sides. Okay, so, and then what are the other opposite ones?
1 and 3.
1 and 3. Okay, and what about those? If they're opposites, then what are they?
The same.
They're the same, okay? They're equal to each other. Okay, and then we have same sides. So 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 4. And what about the other ones? What are those? What if they're same side, then what? They add up to be what?
180.
180. Okay, so you could say 1 plus 2 would equal 180. Okay, and so on. Okay, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay, and so that's what we did yesterday. So the very first ones are a review. So if we look at number 1, are these same sides or opposite sides? They're same sides. So we could say this one plus this one, okay, the question mark, and we'll put an X there, is 180. So you're going to say X plus 125 equals 180. Okay, and how do we finish solving that one?
Minus 125 from both sides.
Minus 125 from both sides. Okay, and what do you get? 255? 55? Trust in you. I don't have my calculator. So X equals 55.
So what do we have to do? Some length division?
Nope, not on this one because it's these ones are the easy ones where it's just numbers. Okay, now look at the next one. Is it same sides or opposite sides?
Opposite.
Opposite sides, which tells us what?
Raise it 148.
Yeah, it's going to equal 148. Whatever one equals, the other one is also equal to. Okay, so this one is just going to be 148. Okay? So those are the super easy ones that we did yesterday. Okay? Also yesterday we did some with variables on there. Okay? And so it says solve for x. Each figure is a parallelogram. So we have this and it says 13x plus 4 for one of the angles and the other one's 98. Are they same sides or opposite sides?
Same side.
Mm-hmm. Same sides, which means what? They equal 180. So we can say, really this angle, W plus X equals 180. Okay, well our W is 13X plus 4 plus the other angle is 98. And between the two of those, this is W right here. This is W, and this one is X. Okay, between the two of those, they equal 180. Okay, and so we can combine our like terms. What can we combine? I got 13x plus 4 plus 98.
The 13 and 98.
No.
Like 498.
498, so 13x, and that's going to give you 102. 13x plus 102 equals 180. Okay, so now what? What's our next step?
Minus from both sides.
Minus 102 from both sides. So I got 13x equals 180 minus 102 is 78. So 13x equals 78.
And divide.
And then divide. See if I can hear everything you're saying. Okay, x equals 6. Okay, and so this is what we really did yesterday, okay? And so you're going to have a couple of these like this for like a little mini review, I guess, or a recap of what we did yesterday. Can I scroll? Okay, 7. Is this same sides or opposite sides?
That's up.
Same sides. Okay, same sides tell us to do what? Okay, same sides, we add them together to equal 180. So I got 105 plus 36x plus 3 equals 180. Hola.
Hi, I think it's pronounced Jared.
Yeah. Come on, Jared.
One diamond, please.
Okay, now, what can we put together? I got 105 plus 36 plus 3. What can we put together?
The 105 and the 3.
105 and the 3 to give me 108 plus 36x equals 180. What's our next step?
Minus from both sides, 180.
Minus 108 from both sides. Johnson, you awake? I said no. Johnson!
Yeah.
Hey! Did I wake you up? I'm so sorry.
No, I've been up.
Really? Because you sound like you're asleep.
Been crying all morning.
Right. Well, hold on, because everybody's on here. Put your business out there. What's our next step?
Divide.
Divide. Okay, so I got 36x equals 72, so we're going to divide both sides by 36. And that gives me x equals 2. Good. Good? Can I scroll? No? Oh. I thought, do you think it's funny? Most teachers don't even ask, but,
A lot of times, literally.
hmm?
Literally a lot.
I know, they'll just go super fast. I'm like, bro, I just
Yeah,
blink,
ask
chill.
questions.
Like, what's your rush? Alright, the next one, same sides or opposite sides? Opposite, which means what?
That's the same.
They're equal to each other. Okay, so we can say this one, you could say S equals really Q. Okay, and so what is S? Well, S is x plus 129. And Q equals 129. And so we need to solve for x. So we're going to get all our letters to the left and our numbers to the right. But I want you to think about this, and some of you guys won't be able to do it. If this is 129, what does this one have to be? 129. So if this says x plus 129, what is x really?
0.
X has got to be 0. Okay, but you can still run through and solve. So you'd say move all your numbers to one side, so minus 129 on both sides. Okay, so on the left side we got x equals, what is 129 minus 129? It's 0. Okay, but some of them are kind of obvious. If you can definitely see one number, then you know what the other one should be. Okay?
So do we have to do all that?
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, do all that?
No, you don't need to.
Alright.
But, because this one was kind of obvious. I mean, honestly. I know, because I was watching that King Kong vs. Godzilla and I turned my TV down. So.
I watched it, but it's not.
I watched it. It was bad.
Huh?
I watched it. It wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad.
Did you see that Godzilla meme I said?
Alright,
I mean, I watched it 6 times. Because I was showing it during the day, so I get to watch the first 30 minutes, and then watch another 30 minutes, and then watch the same 30 minutes. But that's okay.
My brother bought HBO Max for no reason. And they spoiled that shit.
You would have to watch it.
Because
Almost every new movie I usually just see for free.
You can go on
Illegal
websites.